Gesundheit. Thank you, Henry.
I don't like the sound of those sniffles one bit. I think you might be coming down with something. This could be a case of the super sniffles.
The super sniffles?
Oh, it's serious business. Superheroes do everything powerfully, so something like the sniffles can make it hard to control their superpowers.
Gesundheit again.
Thanks.
Maybe you should lie down, Mom. That's what you tell me when I don't feel good.
Oh, yes, indeedy. You really should rest today.
Oh, no. Supervillains don't take sick days, so neither do I. Besides, I'm not really sick. Okay. Maybe it is the super sniffles. Thanks, sweetie. But I really shouldn't just lie here. See? Someone needs a superhero.
Sorry, Mom. We're taking super care of you, and that's final. Now, you've got a fluffy pillow, Hero Digest magazines you've been wanting to catch up on. Kipper, did you find the extra tissues? Thanks, Kipper. How's it coming, Henry?
Almost done laser-proofing the TV.
I made you my patented Get Better Citron tea. It's sure to cure your sniffles.
I do feel better. I think this tea did the trick. Thanks to...
Aha!
It worked!
With a sneeze like that, you're gonna need something stronger.
If I could isolate the healing properties of the citron fruit, I might be able to grow a super citron.
To make a super tea. Henry, let's get to the lab and science ourselves up some super fruit.
And I'll stay here and take care of Mom.
Well, good luck. That's a harder test than you think.
Can I get you anything else, Mom? Mom? Mom!
Super sniffles or not, somebody out there needs help.
Bubble beam blast!
Thanks, Zoe.